Hey everyone, welcome back to English Minded, the channel that makes learning English simple and fun. Today, we're going to play a quick opposite word game. I'll ask you a question, give you 3 options, and you have to choose the correct opposite word. Ready to test your English skills? Let's begin. What is the opposite of hot? A. Cold. B. Warm. C. Dry. Answer: cold. Example sentence: the water was too cold to swim in. 2. What is the opposite of happy? A. Angry. B. Sad. C. Excited. Answer: sad. Example sentence: she felt sad after hearing the bad news. 3. What is the opposite of fast? A. Slow. B. Quick. C. Small. Answer: slow. Example sentence: the turtle moves very slow. 4. What is the opposite of strong? A. Weak. B. Tall. C. Brave. Answer: weak. Example sentence: after the illness, he felt very weak. 5. What is the opposite of clean? A. Dirty. B. Messy. C. Dusty. Answer: dirty. Example sentence: the floor is dirty, we need to sweep it. 6. What is the opposite of early? A. Soon. B. Late. C. Fast. Answer: late. Example sentence: she arrived late to the meeting. 7. What is the opposite of open? A. Shut. B. Close. C. Closed. Answer: closed. Example sentence: the store is closed on Sundays. 8. What is the opposite of rich? A. Poor. B. Cheap. C. Broke. Answer: poor. Example sentence: many people in the village are poor but happy. 9. What is the opposite of short? A. Small. B. Long. C. Tiny. Answer: long. Example sentence: she wore a long red dress to the party. 10. What is the opposite of dark? A. Light. B. Bright. C. Clear. Answer: light. Example sentence: the room was light and airy after opening the windows. Great job, everyone! How many did you get right? If you enjoyed this game, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to English Minded, and hit the bell icon to keep learning English in a fun way every day. See you in the next video. Keep your mind English minded.